Students, our new chapter for today's class is the preposition. In this preposition chapter, we will learn more about the definition and the kinds as well as the uses of preposition. So let me tell you, in the grammar section there will be 12 marks. Okay, in the junior class that is of 15 marks. You know well about the gap filling, sentence reordering, omission and addition. So this is of 12 or 15 marks. First of all, come to the definition of the preposition. That a preposition is defined as a word or a group of words used before a noun. Means to say the preposition always comes before a noun to clarify it. Sometime before pronoun also, sometime before a phrase also, to show its relation with another word. Means now it is clear why it is used, why it is coming before noun, to show the relation with the another word in a sentence. That is clear. You see the definition once again. Okay, now come to the types of the preposition. That is the preposition of time. Number one is the preposition of time, and the second one is the preposition of place or direction. Place or direction. So this is the first kind and this is the second kind. So first of all, basically we have to learn at, in, on in the preposition of time, and in the same way in the difference with the preposition of place. At, in, on. So what is the difference in the preposition of place and what is the difference in the preposition of time? So let's come to the first of all, at. At is used to indicate when something happens. Means we use at with clock times, right? Better to try to understand with the example. The train left at 8 o'clock. Means for the point of time. No, always with the timing which is given clock times. I think there should be no any confusion with any student. Whenever clock time is given, so please use the at for the point of time. Now come to the second one. In the note what I have written, but we don't use at with morning, evening, afternoon. Means don't use at with morning, evening or afternoon. But if you are using, that is absolutely wrong. It is used with period of year, sometime also with day also, festival also. For example, she married at the age of 18. Right? So one video clip is completed. Let's see in the next one.